Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to day number 146 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. It is September the 19th of 2025, right? And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, okay, guys, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank. We're using a service called My Legion Secrets. We're putting those two together and we're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year. All right. So I just wanted to shoot this video for you guys, kind of let you know, what this stuff, what this method looks like, and also show you the results for the last 30 days on how we've been doing with this system. All right. So we're on day number 146, guys. Let's go ahead and hop on over here to My Legion Secrets. Now, if you don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So, what separates the two, whether you get 100 or 200 leads, is going to depend on how many accounts that you have. All right. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secrets, they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay. So you can get 1, 5, 10, 15, 20 accounts if you like. All right. And you can go from there as you get those accounts. You can send emails out to each and every one of those accounts, and you will see progress. You will see results, and you will see money coming into your account. All right. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. And just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years, guys. Okay. I totally love this service. All right. I promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. And if you send out your emails every single day, you will see progress with this system. All right. And that's the cool thing about My Legion Secret, guys. You can come in every single day and send out an email, okay, and reach thousands and thousands of people. All right. So it's just pretty cool. Now, just one little couple things about this traffic, guys. Now, this is cold traffic. So it's going to take these people a while to kind of get warmed up to you first. And then once they get warmed up to you, then they will start, subscribing to whatever it is that you're promoting. And then eventually they will purchase from you or buy from you. Okay, guys. So I just wanted to let you know that this is how it works, guys. And these people that are on this list, on this My Legion secret list, these people care about making money online. All right. So that's very important that we put the right offer in front of this traffic. That way we can get the results and, we can make progress with this method. All right. Now there's going to be two ways to make money with My Legion Secrets. Number one is to promote My Legion Secret itself. Okay. So if you guys just wanted to promote My Legion Secrets and nothing else, all you would have to do is come over here to the affiliates, go to promo tools, guys, and you can come down here where these emails are, and then all you have to do is just click on, import this email into your list. Okay. So what happens is once you click on that, it'll go to your list and then it'll be able to load up. And all you have to do is come back and click send on this email. Okay. So you can literally, guys, come here to this section and just send out all of these emails to the system and you will make money with My Legion Secret. Okay, now that's one way to do it. The other way is going to be using a third party network service, affiliate network service such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty. There's tons of different networks or CPA networks that you can use to grab the offers. Okay, and then all you got to do is create an email and put your affiliate link in the email, and then you can send that out to your list, and then that's how you get results. Okay, so those are going to be the two major ways to make money with My Legion Secret. You can promote the system itself, like I said, or you can use some a place, an affiliate network, something like ClickBank or Warrior Plus or something like that. Okay. So, and then also, guys, there's going to be three ways to send out an email in this system. Okay. Number one is to write your email. Okay. Come up with a good ad copy. Just write it out and then find the affiliate link that you want to use, find the offer that you want to use, and create an email based on that product. And then insert your affiliate link into your email that you written, okay, that you written. And then what you could do is, send that out to this traffic and you can get sales and leads in that way. Okay. Now, the second way that you're going to send out an email is by using like a email service or a AI, type of email service, Chat GPT or something like that, where you can have Chat GPT create the emails for you. Okay. And you can do it that way as well, guys. All right. And that's a very popular way. The last way, number three, is you're going to use the free email swipes that are from the vendor. Okay. Now, the reason why we're promoting ClickBank for this challenge is because these leads respond very well to ClickBank. Okay, so I've been using ClickBank for a while now, and I can tell you by far these ClickBank offers do work and they do convert. Okay, so we're going to be using the offers on ClickBank in the e-business, e-marketing section. Okay. And then once we do that, guys, those offers do have free email swipes. Okay. That are known to convert. Okay. Now I've used these same email swipes on ClickBank. I can tell you that they do work. They do convert. I have gotten paid off of those emails. Okay. I'm just being honest with you here, guys. Okay. So that's going to be the third way is you're going to use those emails from the offer, okay, from the vendor, all right? And how you do that is go to clickbank.com, sign up for a free account, okay? And then you can use those free offers that are in that section. And then all you have to do is copy and paste over to this system, okay? So this is the back office, guys. Your back office is going to look exactly like this, okay? The only thing different, obviously, is going to be your affiliate link versus mine. And then also the emails that you send out versus what I send out, okay? We may not be sending out the same emails on the same day. So that's where the only difference is between your account and my account. Everything else is going to look the same, okay? You're going to have all these tabs coming up here. And where you're going to be hanging out at the most, guys, is going to be the mailing system. This is actually where you're going to go send the email. That way you can reach thousands of people. Okay. So what you would do, you would simply click on mailing system, click on select all so you can select all of your emails. Okay. Um, and then you will come down here. Now, once you start copying and pasting over these emails from the vendor, they're going to be stored right here into your saved emails. Okay. So pretty much all you would have to do is pretty much just grab an email and then just load it up. And what happens is all you would have to do is pretty much, come down here, click on perfect timing. And then as you can see, this is our email that we sent out. Okay. Giving you the job opportunity, let you know what it is, let you know what you're doing, okay, and then also the income potential, okay, and then there's a clickable link right here that we will click on. So pretty much what you would do is you would create an email, something kind of like this, or like I said, use the free email swipes from the vendor, okay, and then those will work just perfectly. You want to create a clickable link. Now, this right here is a clickable link right here. So when people see this, they're going to click on this link and it's going to take them to my affiliate page. That way I can get, that page is going to do all the selling and telling for me. And then I will get paid if the customer decides to start working, okay, and making money, okay. And once they decide to start working and making money, then that's when we get paid. All right. So that's very important that, you just send out those emails every day and don't miss a beat. Okay. So this is what it would look like whenever you get ready to send out an email. And then you come down here at the bottom, you make sure you got perfect timing. And then you're either going to click on send now or preview. Okay. Preview it is going to pull up the email in real time. Okay. That way you can kind of see what it looks like. You're going to be able to click on this link right here and you want to make sure that it goes to your affiliate page. That way you can get the credit. Okay. So that's how that works, guys. And then once you do that, guys, once you have this check mark right here, you come down here and then you just click on send now. Okay. It's just that easy. All right. So that's how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret. Okay. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to do that. All right. So let's go ahead and I did send out some emails last night. Okay. Late last night. And I just wanted to show you the results from how we did last night. Okay. Today is the September 19th and of 2025. And if you come down here, you're going to be able to see the algorithm from ClickBank. Okay. This is what it's been looking like, guys, for the last 30 days. Okay. So I like doing the last 30 days because I like to show you the algorithm on what it looks like and what to expect. Okay. If you were to get started. All right. Now, the algorithm, what has been showing guys, we've been seeing sales either every day or every other day or every 2 days. Okay, now right here, there's a larger gap right here, guys, because I was out of town. If you guys been watching my videos, I was out of town. I did help my daughter move into college. Now she got settled in, and then I came back home. Now once I came back home, I started to pick back up on this method, guys. Send out my emails every single day, and now we're back right back on the algorithm, guys. Okay, every day, every other day, or every 2 days. I haven't seen if it's something that I'm missing, I haven't seen um, any other gaps besides 2 days. Okay. We went 2 days without getting sales, guys, but as you can see, it's been pretty consistent other than that. All right. So I just wanted to show you what that looks like in the past 30 days. That way you can kind of know what to expect. And ClickBank, they do pay every single week. Okay. So every week I am receiving a paycheck from ClickBank. Okay. From what I'm doing during the week. And then they'll pay me every Friday. Okay. Which is today. Okay. I got paid today. So I just wanted to show you what's possible for you guys if you guys were to get started. Okay. As you can see, today is September the 19th. We did make a sale today, and then we also made a sale yesterday, guys. So we're starting to see this thing get a little bit more consistent. Now, the further along we get in this video series, you're going to start seeing more income because all this is, guys, is just a numbers game. Okay. The more people you look at, the more people you get clicking on your link. Okay. The more sales that you're going to make. Okay. It's just all a numbers game. So if you guys come in every single day and you send out emails every single day, you will see progress. Okay. The only way this thing will not work for you is if you miss days, you skip out on days, you don't go out and get multiple accounts, okay? Then you're not going to possibly see any income at all, okay? Because it does take time. This is not some type of lottery ticket mentality. You're not going to be able to just send out an email today and then receive thousands of dollars next week, okay? It just doesn't work that way, okay? More realistically, this thing just grows. Okay. And as you can see, the algorithm has just been growing because before we were getting one cell right here and then one cell way over here like next week. Okay. It took us sending out emails every single day for 4 months straight. Okay. And now we're into the fifth month. And now we're starting to see the algorithm change where we're getting sales either every day, every other day, or every 2 days. Okay. We haven't went no longer than 2 days without a sale, guys, which is pretty good. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. If you guys want to get started, guys, I did leave a link below this video. So if you come down here and you click on the more tab underneath this, you're going to click on this email GS True Freedom. It's going to take you to the affiliate page or the landing page of My Legion Secret. And this is where you're going to get started. All right. Now, as you can see, I just want to show you some of the testimonial photos. These are people that are making money with the MLGS account. Okay. There is money to be made, guys. There are other people making money. I'm not the only one making money. And if you go Google or YouTube, other people with this method, guys, you're going to see there's multiple people making money with this. Okay. So I just wanted to show you what this looks like. And I did want to show you the results as well. Okay. So and right here, guys, this is where you're going to get started. There's a one-time charge of only $60 to get started, and then just a one-time charge of $30 each and every month to keep the traffic coming in. Okay, now I've been paying this for over a few years now, guys, so I can tell you it's just a no-brainer. Okay, you're going to make more money than what you're putting in this thing. Okay, but you have to get started. That's the hardest thing about doing this, guys, is that you get started today, guys. That's the most important thing. So I would recommend you guys getting started today. Once you get started, send me a message on here. Let me know what you think about, you getting started. Or if you got any questions about getting started, just comment below or send me a message and I'll be more than happy to help you guys with that. Okay. But I just wanted to show you guys, this is the landing page. This is where you would go sign up at. Like I said, just go below this video and click on this link right here. Also, subscribe to this channel, guys. Okay, subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Like this video, okay? That way, it just helps the channel and helps it get this message out to other people that looking for ways to make money online or that needs the extra income. Okay. Now, if you're someone out there that's looking for maybe some extra income to put food on the table, maybe help with groceries, help with the light bill or gas bill or, whatever, phone bill or internet, whatever. Okay. You need some extra income to help maybe make a car payment or help with your mortgage or rent. Okay, this is going to be the extra income that you can put towards that, or you can pay some of those bills with. Okay, guys. So I just wanted to show you what this looks like from the past 30 days. We have been getting some sales pretty consistently, and it's pretty cool. So I did send out my emails tonight. We're going to come back here tomorrow, and we're going to go over the results, and we're going to go over how we did. So I'm going to end this video on that note, and I'm going to come back here tomorrow. I'll see you guys back here at the same time, same place. All right, guys.